Radia, that was sick. So we didn't swatch a we are hitting a ram around. Rather, sonny, bet you are here. Oh, Erade, Wahine so Erade, Wutu me so yes we why no new say Obiare ni obio Biasinina Yewudia Oh Erade Wahine so Erade Wutu me so yes we why no new say Obiara ni obio Biasinina Yewudia yes we Yes, way, oh, yeah, my soul, oh, yes, way, yeah, she, mirror, yes, way, yeah, good to yes, way. Shira would yashaya rade adoso onyame ofata aye mesin shira would yashaya rade Udia utsumi ya kasi sa ubwe wanwa sanchani sisio eni na chirasa ukwa ni onyamyo radie utsumeso eti makoso nasumuda mese wujuma ya mewawa radie utumi ya kase sa ubwe wanwa sanchani kwa sisio weni na chirasa ukwani onyamyo obatambe utumeso eti makosu masumuda mese wujuma ya mewawa utumi ya kase sa ubwe wanwa sanchani kwa sisio weni na chirasa ukwani nyamyo obatabe utumeso eti makosu masumuda ujuma ya mewawa utumi ya kase sa ubwe wanwa sanchani sisio weni na chirasa okwani onyamyo obiamo we utumeso eti makosu masumuda juma ya mewawa rade utumi dia aya kase sa ubwe wanwa sanchani sisio weni na chirasa unkwa ni onyamyo obatampe utumeso eti makosu maso eti medofu kesie memawamo medofu kesie miwayo medofu kasie memawamo medofu kasie miwayo wamamewo obiamowe wamamenima mwase medofu kasie swe memawamo misi ekotan funkwa anka meni maguase eka woni ponunkwa anka yashiasio nanso onyamia mayewo wa mayeni maguase bedawugasi yeswe memawamo namisi onyamia mayewo wa mayeni maguase yeswe emawabo anutimu maye kanche nyamisa yadanase o maye kanche papa no sa yadanasio o maye kanche rodise yadanase aje yadawas yadawase yadawasio wandalashi nyahawo kedu wake wandalashi nyahawo kedu wake wandalashi Agbelo, agbe, ike bobo. Agbelo, agbe, bobo. Agbelo, bobo. Agbelo, agbe, bobo. Agbelo. Now me see a day. Yadawasio, yadawasi, a day. Yadawasio, a day. Yadawasio, yadawasi, a day, a day. Yadawasio. Now me see a day. My spirit magnifies the Lord. My soul praise His name. For death could not hold Him captive, even in the grave. He is Lord, even in the grave. I said, for death could not hold Him captive, and even in the grave, He is Lord. For death could not hold Him captive, and even in the grave, He is Lord. I said, for death could not hold Him captive, and even in the grave, He is Lord. For death could not hold Him captive, and even in the grave. I want to leave this with you. Our Lord Jesus Christ died, and on the third day He rose again. But death could not hold Him captive. So I want to leave this with you today.